end of access to news on Facebook and Instagram from Meta for all users in Canada is underway. The move is in response to a Canadian law called the Online News Act, which mandates tech companies pay content fees to domestic media outlets. The decision follows a similar law passed last year in Australia. For a look at what this could mean, how this could be resolved in this country, and whether the U.S. is looking at this as a blueprint to deal with their own tech issues, let's bring in Rob Casey, his partner and senior analyst at Signum. Rob, thank you so much for joining us. How do you see this playing out? Because certainly the situation of these major social media platforms not delivering real news is a problem, is untenable.
Yeah, Amber, thanks very much for having me. Totally agree it's a problem, but what we've seen in Australia, really the blueprint for this legislation in Canada, is that it's not a problem for long. Companies, Meta, Google in particular, will come to the bargaining table, and there will be news back on Facebook and Twitter feeds, or X feeds, pretty soon.
And for those who are not familiar, what concessions were made in Australia to, I guess, appease or put big tech on side with this?
Yeah, so the drive of the legislation really is profit sharing, forcing companies like Meta and Google to share their profits with journalists. So allow small and medium-sized journalism firms, especially, to benefit from going viral, having their articles shared on these big tech platforms.
And in some ways they do. I mean, Google, certainly in YouTube, I mean, they have a model of sharing in the profits with their content creators. So it shouldn't be that hard.
Yeah, I think what's most difficult about it for the smallest of independent journalism providers is that they can't negotiate those contracts or really the profit sharing model at all. So what this legislation does is it allows for the small and medium-sized journalism, online sources to basically negotiate as a cartel, giving them more power in negotiating.
We had Amy Klobuchar, Senator, introduce something similar. Do you think that this is something that could be enacted in the U.S.?
Yeah, it's a really good question. Last year, Senator Klobuchar's bill, got pretty close to being passed. It was initially included in the 2023 Senate NDAA, National Defense Authorization Act text. It was not included in the House NDAA and was later left off of the final bill. Senator Klobuchar's bill has bipartisan support in the Senate Judiciary Committee, but as we've seen, bipartisan support doesn't necessarily mean bipartisan passage, and I think it's going to be very hard to pass this along with other big tech measures.
Yes, that is the issue. Literally everything on tech seems to be difficult in the United States. What is the source of that? Is it disagreement? Is it super effective lobbying by big tech?
Yeah, and I think you hit the nail on the head. The first is the lobbying. Big tech has a phenomenally powerful lobby in D.C. Senator Klobuchar herself blamed the lobby for killing the bill last year. But also it's the case that while Republicans and Democrats agree that Congress should be reining in big tech, they can't agree on how or what to rein in. Democrats largely are focused on profit sharing, while most Republicans are focused on content moderation and oversight.
All right.